Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can check your video for like copyright usage and stuff like that on CapCut. So I think it mainly detects like audio and like the music. I'm not quite sure about videos, so I'm just going to add in a video. Okay, I'm just going to add this one real quick, and this video has no audio, so I'm just going to go to audio and I'm just going to select an audio from here. Then I'm going to select export, and then scroll down, and then there's going to be a run a copyright check. Enable that. As you can see, the sound copyright check passed, but I think it's because I used the music from CapCut. Kind of want to double check as well, but it says the copyright check has passed. Maybe if you use like if you use another song from, okay, let me see if this song has something that can be checked. Scroll down, right in the copyright check. Oh, okay, it's less than a minute, so I'm gonna copy and paste this. So it will run a copyright check on the audio that I'm using, but it does have to be like above 1 minute for it to check. I also think this audio is like has passed because it isn't like the full song or something like that. I'm not quite sure on how it works fully, but if you don't really trust it, you can double check it again on another platform, but that's how you can check. Again, this is only for audio only, so it's not going to check your video for it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!